Here's a place up in the Dispersed area where I think I can just park off the road. It's got the hood up for cooling. It's steep up here. But this may be a possibility for tonight for a little dispersed camping, Colorado. But great view, and there's a couple of trails that are running right through here, so looks pretty good. Way up here over Steamboat Springs. Up past the Dry Lake Campground. Trying to find a dispersed spot. It's pretty rough up here, but old girl's doing pretty good. Probably gonna need some tires when we get home. Maybe some brakes. Possibly some shocks after this trip. I saw a truck about 2 miles back, but I have seen no sign of human life past that. It's like speed limit 3 on this road. Summer in Colorado, I'm loving it. There's the road. It's got some chunk rock in it, but still passable for the old Sienna. We'll see how much further here, but a couple of good spots. There's one with an abandoned campsite that was kind of creepy, but just awesome up here. It's into June in Colorado. Got Breckenridge off in the distance behind us, looking great. It's a beautiful day in June here, just up from Breckenridge. Some great vistas. Great.
Hi, Dad. You have fun at school? Yeah, we got it.
Great. Fishing with Blake.
What's up?
Where are we fishing?
This is the Yampa River.
Really good.
Yeah, just outside of Steamboat.
Yeah, looks good. Just learned to fly fish down here. Blake showed me this awesome spot. Just wanted to get a little footage of it. I mean, we are remote. There's no McDonald's up there. mountain air. There's a breeze coming out of here. Uphill, kind of off that water. Fresh mountain breeze. About 7,700 feet, I think. Beautiful little brook down here. So bright. Looking amazing, and I just got into the mountains just now, me and old girl. Hey, good morning. I'm still blown away here by my campsite at Prairie Point, I believe it's called, on Highway 9, just north of like Silverthorne and all that. I think I drove maybe a half an hour, 40 minutes north on 9 up towards Steamboat Springs, but I'm the only one down here in this valley. There's this road up here that a car will go by on every now and then, but in this entire valley, the other campers left, and there's a farm up on this hill here, but some great views of some 10,000 foot peaks over there. I'm not sure how high they are, but they're big ones. I sat out and had a fire out here last night, and there is not a soul around. Like I say, there's a car going by every now and then, but I've seen a bunch of birds this morning. I don't know what they were. Some great wildlife, some chipmunks, all kinds of butterflies. There's all kinds of flowers down here, but like I say, there's just nobody around. And there's a lot of these campgrounds I'm finding in Colorado. Maybe I'm just new to it, but you can see behind me here, great views back there. So I'm gonna head up to Steamboat Springs today to see my boy Blake. I just dropped Mark off last night at the airport in Denver, so gonna get back out in the country. Old girl's working great, so we're just gonna press on today, go see some more of my homies, and have some Colorado fun. So yeah, if you're up this way, check it out. Prairie Point, I believe it is. So Colorado blowing my mind. All right, love you guys. Talk to you later. El Dorado Canyon, out up here in Colorado, up the mountain between Boulder and Golden, I believe. Beautiful place. What, man?